A very good o'clock to all the students. Here I am Amisha ma'am, your English grammar teacher. Students, today I am here to start our chapter number 4, that is pronouns. In the previous video we have completed about nouns. Okay, hope so you have understood it well. Now to start with pronouns, let's talk about what pronoun actually is. Pronouns are always used to avoid the repetition of a noun or noun phrase. Whenever the repetition of noun occurs, then to avoid its repetition, we use in place of noun a pronoun. Okay, like here if you could look, I have taken an example here. Miss Amisha is our English grammar teacher, full stop. Miss Amisha teaches all of us through online mode, full stop. Miss Amisha is very punctual. Here in this paragraph, what you have noticed, the thing which you have noticed I think is the repetition of the word Miss Amisha every place. Okay. So Miss Amisha is what? It is a name of a person and therefore it is a noun. Okay. Whenever I am starting the introduction, then I can use that noun, but to avoid its repetition, which is being repeated in every line, I have to use pronoun in the place of noun, that is Miss Amisha. What pronoun I can use in place of Miss Amisha? Since Miss Amisha is a female, so I can use she. What I can use? She in place of that noun. First time I have to use the name because to make clear what I am talking of. किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, like here now if you could read, Miss Amisha is our English grammar teacher. Miss Amisha, instead of Miss Amisha, I have written here or I have used here a pronoun she. So what I am saying now? She teaches all of us through online mode. She is very punctual. I think now it is very good and very suitable for all of us to read as well and to understand. है ना? So always remember a pronoun she which I have used here. It is used to avoid the repetition of a noun or a noun phrase which we have seen here. Okay. Ravansh arrived late. Full stop. Ravansh had high fever. If I am using Ravansh here, then both time to use Ravansh is not so okay. First time I have introduced, it is well and good. In second time I have to use or I have to avoid the repetition of the name Ravansh, that is a noun, and I have to use in place of it a pronoun which is he, since Ravansh is a male. Okay. So here you could look, you might have understood well about the pronoun. Now I am discussing about kinds of pronoun, students. Pronouns are classified as personal pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphasizing pronoun, possessive pronoun, indefinite pronoun. Okay, types are many, but we will understand it in a very proper and prudent manner. So let's talk about personal pronoun here. Always remember from the name itself, those pronouns which are used for the persons are known as personal pronoun, like I, we, you, he, she, it, they, him, her, us, them, etc. Like I bought a cake. Here I is a personal pronoun used for a person. Okay, now let's talk about the relative pronoun. From the name itself you can calculate that those pronouns which show some relation to that of a noun. Like relative pronoun are those pronoun which relates to noun itself and have gone before, like who, which, that, what, whatever, whom, whoever, etc. Blessed is he who works hard. Here he is a pronoun which is being related with who, that is again a relative pronoun, and blessed is he who works hard is showing the relation between who and he. Now interrogative pronouns are those which ask some questions. You yourself know interrogation word is used for questioning. Like who, which, what, when means WH word you can say, students. Who gave me a blank call? Question mark. Here who is used for the interrogative pronoun. Now the demonstrative pronouns. Demonstration word itself means to point out something or to point out any object or objects which are being used for the pointing out, like this, that, these, those. If I am saying this is my pencil, so here I am pointing out this pencil that this is my pencil. Here this word is used as a demonstrative pronoun. Okay. Reflexive pronoun, if I'm talking of, then they are the pronouns which refer to the action returning to the doer. The doer who is doing something, if the action returns back to that doer, then that pronouns are known as reflexive pronoun. Example, the criminal shot himself. Here the criminal is a doer who shot himself. Himself comes to him only, to the criminal itself. Therefore it is a reflexive pronoun where self always comes. You can say myself, ourselves, yourself, himself, herself, itself, themselves. Now talking about emphasizing pronouns, always remember emphasize words used for to pressurize something. किसी चीज़ पर जोर देना students. Like emphasizing pronouns which lay some emphasize, like myself, ourselves. You can say as that of reflexive pronoun, but here emphasizing is being done, or something which is being pressurized. Like you yourself are responsible for this loss. Always remember these pronouns are used after the subject only. You yourself are responsible for this loss. आप खुद ही responsible हो, यानी आप पर ही जोर दिया जा रहा है कि इस लॉस के लिए आप खुद ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स लेट्स कम टू 7th, which is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are those pronouns which refer to the possession. Possession क्या होता है? Possession is अधिकार, जो चीज़ें आपका अधिकार दिखाती हैं कि ये आपकी हैं. Like mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. Like if I'm saying this pencil is mine, in this video you could look, this pencil is mine. Here the word which I have used, mine, is a possessive pronoun because it is showing the possession कि pencil belongs to me. Now indefinite pronouns are those that stands for noun understood or implied, like any, anyone, some, someone, anybody, everybody, none, nobody, one, which, few, all, many, several, etc. Like none but the brave deserves the fear. Here none is your indefinite pronoun. Now students, these I think hope so it is clear to you. In the next video I shall discuss more topic related to this chapter, so do watch the video very carefully to understand this chapter. Thank you.